Assalamualaikum Doctor and everyone here. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Anwar and metric number is S5S2183. I have to present chapter 5A and slide number 12. Chapter topic is planning business reports and proposal. Now we at planning reports. Planning reports have three. So the first one is analyzing the situation, gathering information, and last one is adapting your report to your audience. So my topic is analyzing the situation. The point is develop a preliminary outline. Okay, the first one is parallel construction. Parallel construction can affect reading, can make the text easier to process. Meaning we produce a text or title that's easy for audience to read and understand. Point number two is consistent headings. Consistent headings are very important as we need to draw attention to people interested to the article or text. So we need a few things. The first one is an interesting title, so the listener want to read. Okay, the second, the opening verse also plays roles in this. This is because in an interesting title will not make people read every single word, but will stop people from leaving your article early. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syazwana binti Muhammad Syahid. My metric number is S50302. Okay, today I would like to present about the planning business report and proposal. Okay, my point is prepare the work plan. Okay, you are already accustomed to some schedule visual with school report. Okay, this is good practice for your business career. When you will be expected to produce quality report quickly and efficiently, a carefully work plan is the best way to make sure you produce good work on schedule. By identifying all the tasks that must be performed, you ensure that nothing is overlooked. Okay. A formal work plan might include the following elements. Okay, the first one is statement of the problem opportunity. Okay, the problem statement clarifies the challenge you face, help you and anyone working with you stay focused on the core issue. Okay, and help everyone avoid the distraction that are likely to arise along the way. Okay, the second point is a statement of the purpose and scope of your investigation. The purpose statement describes what you plan to accomplish and therefore also define the boundaries of your work. Starting which subject you will cover and which you want is especially important for complex, lengthy investigation. Okay, the third one is discussion of tasks to be accomplished. Okay, be sure to indicate your sources of information, the resources necessary, and constraint on time, money, personnel, or data. Okay, for simple reports, the list of tasks to be accomplished will be short. However, longer report and complex investigation require an exhaustive list so that you can reserve time with customer, with executive, or for outside service such as a market researcher or print shop. Okay, the fourth point is description of any product that will result from your investigation. In many cases, the only product of your effort will be the report itself. In other cases, you will need to produce something beyond a report, perhaps a new marketing plan or even a tangible product. Make this expectation clear at the outset and be sure to schedule enough time and resources to get the job done. Okay. The 5th point is a review of project, assignment, schedule, and resource requirement. Indicate who will be responsible for what, when tasks will be complete, and how much the investigation will cost. If more than one person will be involved, you may also want to include a brief section on coordinating report writing and production, such as whether you will use a wiki to develop the report content. Okay, and the 6th point is plans for following up after delivering the report. Follow up can be as simple as making sure people receive the information they need, or as complex as conducting additional research to evaluate the result of proposal included in your report. Even informal follow-up can help you improve your future report and communicate that you care about your work effectiveness and its impact on the organization. Okay, the last point is working outline. Working outline is the some work plans include a tentative outline of the report. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.